Here is the Stokke Tripp Trapp Chair, and what makes this chair unique is that it grows with the child. So you can have from infant to 1 year old, 3 year old, to young, to actually adults using it. The color I've chosen is the whitewash, but it comes with a variety of other colors. My child is about 1 year old, so I need a Tripp Trapp baby set as well. So let's put this together and check it out. Here is the Tripp Trapp chair at the Stokke website. It comes with a lot of different colors. I went with the whitewash color for the chair and the hazy gray for the baby set. Here you can see it has the baby set and it also has the harness. The price for the baby chair is $319 US. Now let us unbox and assemble the chair. Okay, as you can see the placement. Here is the sitting plate and the feet rest, as well as some iron rods. This is the frame. This is the wood pin at the bottom. Here are the back rest. There's also a package of some hardware. So let me show you the hardware. This is the tool that we're going to use. And there are bolts and the receiver for the bolts. It looks like this, and this is really important. One side is larger than the other side. The small side is going to go in towards the wood and the long side should be out. So this is the small side, this is the long side. So on my left, short side, on my right, long side. So short side should be inside. Just put it in here and use one of the bolts. Same for the other side. Just put one of the bolts in, and we're going to tighten them a bit, but not too hard. Inside the stool plates there are 2 rods. They look like this. So 2 iron rods. So we're going to place them now. And it's just actually 1 screw on each side, but don't tighten them too much. So just put it here. And then just manually screw them together without tightening them. And with the other side. And same for the bottom. Next are the 2 support. They have the owls here, and we should use the receivers. And it's really important that we use the small side in and the large side out. So the small side should be in towards the wood and the large side should be out. So let's do that. Just put 1 screw on each side and don't tighten them too much. Same for the next one, use the small sides in. Put it in place and don't tighten it too much. So the one with the hole here is for sitting, and the other one does not have a hole, and this is for the feet resting. And then when we start to tighten it again, we start with this one. And the next one will be on the other side. So, next one will be this one, the second from the top. The third one will be the top one on this side, the other side. The third one will be the top one, the same side. Now the baby set, we are going to assemble that one also, and it has a high back, a rail and extended glides, and this is the color of hazy grey. So the hole is in the front, and just put in this one in here. So in order to use this, I need to remove the plate, the sitting plate at the top. And you might have to move the feet support also one. So we have the sitting plate and the feet resting plate, this frame itself, the support, the rods, so 2 rods. And you can actually see that there's one gap here, and this is perfectly normal. There should be a gap, and it should be even. The gap should be even on each side. This is the baby set. So it has the back and the front and the support also. I also have the Tripp Trapp Chair in storm grey color, and here it's next to Antelope IKEA high chair. The Stokke Tripp Trapp Chair is a popular high chair designed for infants and children. It has several advantages and disadvantages, which can vary depending on your specific needs and preferences. Here are some key advantages and disadvantages of the Stokke Tripp Trapp Chair. Advantages first. Number 1 is adjustability. The Tripp Trapp is designed to grow with your child. It has an adjustable seat and footrest, allowing it to accommodate children of various ages and sizes. This means that you can use it from infancy through childhood and even into adulthood. Secondly is the ergonomic design. The chair's design promotes good posture and ergonomics, which can be beneficial for your child's comfort and development. The adjustable feet and footrest help ensure that your child's feet are supported and that they can sit at the correct height for various activities. Number 3 is the high quality materials.
Stokke is known for using high-quality materials in their products, and the Tripp Trapp Chair is no exception. It is made from solid beechwood, which is durable and built to last. Number 4 is easy to clean. The Tripp Trapp is relatively easy to clean as it has a white clean surface. The optional cushion sets are also machine washable for added convenience. The 5th is safety features. I don't have the 5-point harness, but it comes with a 5-point harness to secure your child in the chair, providing added safety during mealtimes. Number 6 is the stylish design. The Tripp Trapp Chair has a sleek and modern design that can fit well with various home decor styles. The 7th is the variety of accessories. Stokke offers a range of accessories for the Tripp Trapp, including cushions, a baby set for younger children, and a tray attachment. Some of the disadvantages that I found. Number 1 is the price. The Tripp Trapp chair is relatively expensive compared to other high chairs on the market. While its durability and longevity may justify the cost for some, it can be a drawback for budget-conscious families. The second is the assembly required. Some users find that assembling the chair can be a bit challenging, especially if they're not handy with tools. Number 3 is the tray sold separately. The tray attachment is not included with the chair and must be purchased separately, adding the overall cost if you choose to use it. So to conclude, in conclusion, the Stokke Tripp Trapp chair offers a range of advantages, including adjustability, ergonomic design, and high-quality materials. However, its price and some assembly may be drawbacks for some users. Ultimately, wherever the Tripp Trapp is the right choice for you and your child depends on your specific needs and your budget.